Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Today we see a little bit of consolidation after yesterday's rally. Finally, we broke out of this range here to the upside after price found support here in the support zone. Decided to go directly higher, and as already explained in the previous videos, we're currently watching if Ethereum purely created an extension of the wave 1. This is the wave 1 that started. One second. Yeah, this is the wave 1 that started here on the 15th of June. Wave 1 to the upside of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, a wave 4, which might have bottomed here. Yeah. One second, let me think. No, here. Yeah, as a running flat structure on the 6th of July. And now we are moving up in the last wave in a wave 5. This is currently the primary scenario, the most likely scenario for me, because it adheres best to the Elliott Wave rules and guidelines and principles. Of course, there is another likely scenario we're going to talk about now. I've got two main scenarios I'm tracking at the moment. They are both bullish. In this one here, however, I do expect another pullback in what I consider a wave 2 before the wave 3 starts. What I have to do, and I will do that for the next video, to add a revised support area, because this support area was relevant for this pullback. Yeah, it's not relevant necessarily anymore because we made a new high. So I have to add a new support area for this entire move between the 15th of June and the current high, for the case that we come back and pull back in a wave 2. Yeah, so this wave 2 needs a new support zone. So, but I will do that for the next video. And because these support zones are always calculated based on the previous wave, so naturally we made a new high. So of course I need to recalculate that support area. Now we seem to be moving up in this fifth wave of the first wave. And the question is, do we get one more high or not? As explained in the last video, we have a support area here between 1927 and 1989. Ideally, it doesn't go below 1946, but I have added 1927 because it could be an ending diagonal. Therefore, we are open to the idea that we could get one more high here. $2,140 is a major breakout point. If we get above that level, I will activate the alternative scenario, the second likely scenario, and that would indicate that wave 1 already finished here on the 3rd of July, wave 2 already bottomed here, and that we're already in the third wave. This is something I talked about time and time again, so be aware of that. In the third wave, pullbacks can be shallow. Yeah, we've seen that at the moment in the altcoin sector, and that's why especially due to the knowledge that we could be in a third wave rally, that's why I usually add now the 38.2 FIB levels as well here for wave 2 pullbacks, because a pullback can be shallow. There's no way to predict that, okay? The only way to manage that is with sound trading tactics and strategies that also help with, at least give you food for thought, like the idea that it is worth holding a core position in a third wave, things like that. What you can't predict, you can manage with tactics. We talk about that much more in the membership as well. But besides that, the trend is up. We are bullish on this chart, and that hasn't changed. So the question at the moment is just, do we get one more high? And against 1927, that's our micro support. We can focus on higher, and then be aware that the next major resistance is here, 2,140. In addition, obviously, to yesterday's high at around about 2027. That's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.